Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete your reference code on Shein. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shein.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see it is the home page where you can see all the items that you can buy. As you can see, here are the sections we can open up and so on. So guys, at the main page at the top of the screen, you're going to go ahead and have some options that you can manage. Here is your profile option. Here we can see our cart, our liked items, favorites, and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do to be able to delete or edit our reference code is to go ahead and click the profile option right here that appears as our icon. So guys, go ahead and click on the profile option, and after opening up that guys, this will now open up this new menu where you can see all the options you have to access. You can see your orders, you can see at the left side of the screen all the menu options and so on. So guys, now we want you to go ahead and find the reference code section, and there is guys, you'll be able to find it under this section right here that says other services. After clicking on other services guys, this is going to open up a new drop down menu where one of them is going to go ahead and be called my reference. So guys, go ahead and click on reference, and here guys, you can go ahead and enter in your reference code. So guys, go ahead and enter the code that you have, and after entering the code guys, you can go ahead and update it. And if you want to delete it guys, just delete everything that you find in reference and click update, and it will save it to delete it. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.